In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Typeform into an Elementor page if you want to place a Typeform directly onto your website and make it available for visitors without sending them to a separate link. This is a simple and effective way to do it. We'll be using Typeform's embed feature together with Elementor's HTML widget so the form displays properly on your page. To begin, open Typeform and go to the form you want to publish. Once you're inside that form, navigate to the Share tab. This is where Typeform gives you different ways to distribute or display your form. In the Share area, look for the Embed option and choose it so you can access the code needed for your website. Next, select the layout format that best fits the experience you want to create. Typeform usually offers options like Standard, Full Screen, or Pop-up. Standard is useful if you want the form to appear directly inside the content area of your page. Full screen can create a more immersive experience, while pop-up is helpful if you want the form to open only when triggered. After choosing the format you prefer, click Copy Code. This copies the embed code to your clipboard so you can place it into Elementor. Now switch over to your WordPress site and open the page you want to edit with Elementor. Once the Elementor editor is loaded, find the HTML widget and drag it into the section where you want the Typeform to appear. The HTML widget is important here because it allows you to paste raw embed code exactly as provided, which helps the form render correctly. Paste the Typeform embed code into the HTML widget. After pasting, give it a moment and check the preview area if available. This can help you confirm that the form is being inserted in the correct location on the page. If the spacing or placement looks off, you can adjust the widget position within Elementor, but keep the embed code itself unchanged so the integration continues to work properly. When everything looks good, click Update in Elementor to publish your changes. This makes the embedded form live on your website so visitors can start interacting with it right away. And that's it. You've successfully